Mortgage demand drops as rates remain stuck at 6.52% for over a month, with a staggering $10 billion loss in potential sales. This video is designed to help first-time home buyers understand the current mortgage rate update and its implications. You will learn how to navigate the 6.52% mortgage rates, the impact on home buying in the housing market, and what to expect from market trends in 2026. Additionally, you will discover how to make an informed decision as a first-time buyer and get the latest updates on mortgage demand and loan applications. What are mortgage rates? Mortgage rates, also known as interest rates, are the percentage of the loan amount that you pay as interest over the life of the loan. As of now, mortgage rates are stuck at 6.52%, which means that for every $100,000 borrowed, you will pay $6,520 in interest per year. How do mortgage rates affect home buying? The current 6.52% mortgage rates have caused mortgage demand to drop by 15% in the past quarter, resulting in a $10 billion loss in potential sales. This is because higher interest rates make monthly mortgage payments more expensive, reducing the purchasing power of buyers. What is the impact on the housing market? The 6.52% mortgage rates have slowed down the housing market, with home prices increasing by only 2% in the past year, compared to 10% in the previous year. This is because higher interest rates have reduced the demand for homes, giving buyers more negotiating power. What to expect from market trends in 2026? Experts predict that mortgage rates will remain around 6.52% for the next quarter, with some expecting a slight decrease to 6.25% by the end of 2026. This means that home buyers can expect a relatively stable market, with prices increasing at a slow pace. How to make an informed decision as a first-time buyer? As a first-time buyer, it's essential to consider the current mortgage rate update and its implications on your purchasing power. You should factor in the 6.52% mortgage rates when calculating your monthly mortgage payments and consider exploring other financing options, such as adjustable-rate mortgages or government-backed loans. Key takeaways. In summary, the 6.52% mortgage rates have stalled the housing market, with mortgage demand dropping by 15% in the past quarter. As a first-time buyer, it's crucial to understand the current mortgage rate update and its implications on your purchasing power. Stay informed about market trends in 2026 and explore different financing options to make an informed decision. Click the link in our description to download our free mortgage rate update guide and get the latest news on the housing market. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more first home buyer tips and updates on the mortgage rate update.